Okay. Good luck.
Anyone want to run some big tier stuff or no?
I'm down for going to my Yamato later.
I've lost 3 in a row, so I'm gonna do a random battle, I guess. Not
Yeah,
that
boost that
matters.
morale when you get like a Kraken or something.
Booyah. Fucking
Yep, I
first
told
blood,
the
devastating
dumbass,
strike.
don't fucking go to A. What does he do? He fucking goes to A.
Well, he got one shot.
Yeah, he got one shot. And that's what he gets for being stupid. I told him. I acknowledge that you are gonna have no help if you go to A. He's like, shut the hell up. He's calling you a
Good
robot.
fun. Well, why don't you tell him right now? Say, see, stupid ass. I told you.
Tell him he needs to get a freaking tattoo on his ass that says Blackheart was here.
Oh. Whoopsie. Idiot. You stuck him on Blackheart?
Oh,
stuck him right in
fucking
the
one
ass.
shot at him. Devastating
Nice.
strike, first blood.
There you go. There you
I'll
go.
put the
Good
hurting on
job.
that
Good
Cleveland
job. Put that name out there good. Ha ha, bitch. I love that shit.
That was hilarious to watch.
Is
Right
he
as he said, I said I was
your
going to
team,
A, so I'm going to A. That's
The guy
literally
on
what he
your
said. He's
team?
like, I'm going to A. And then he died right
See?
there. I was like, oh, well, that is out of my hands. Can I
Oh,
sit it down this
okay.
Miyoko?
Guess so.
Ah. What hit me there? Is that you, Blackheart?
Yes, sir.
Oh, all right. Took 15, 14,
It's your
15K out of me. Not bad.
nemesis.
Oh, that AO was screwed if you don't start moving. You still shooting at me? All right. He's like, we're gonna lose because our battleships are pussies. You underestimate my power.
I didn't say that.
No, the dumbass Nuremberg, they got one shot. I'll take 10K for hitting the bow. That wasn't bad.
Oh, big stick on the Nagato. Killed him.
Oh!
I got 2 kills. Oh, Cleveland's fucked.
Hi. How do you like those?
I'm all right.
Oh, I know. This shit gonna hurt right here if I don't start turning. Now the Cleveland dies. Oh,
You gonna die.
Somebody took him out. I'm taking evasive maneuvers right now. Badly so. All right, Miyoko's firing on me. There's the A open right over here.
You're in trouble, Cleve. And he hit the island.
Oh!
Sick.
Oh shit! Here we go.
Oh, high caliber. Cleveland's gonna die.
Perhaps
Not perhaps.
he will.
Oh, he's dead.
All right. Oh, I forgot Mitsuki has 10-kilometer torps, probably. Oh, well, your Aoba got taken out, but I don't know by what.
Bye-bye, Cleveland. Kill number 3.
Might rip you open.
Maybe. Good shot.
Oh, high caliber. Hey.
Got my T, though.
No, yeah, the only reason I play battleships is because I don't see there being a lot of skill in just rapid firing your guns. You know, spray and pray over actually aiming. That's why I play battleships, is because I know if I miss, you know, it's you're really in a bad spot.